Alrighty friends, I'm back again. I'm gonna make kunna today, and we need anything soft. So I have got wheel shoulder. It's pretty decent for the price and for the quality, and it has got some bones that's gonna give some extra soup and extra flavor. That's that. And let's start with the base. Uh, you might want to have a pressure cooker with some oil in it. Then you need half a teaspoon of cumin seed, one, two, three, four, five, six pieces of cloves, two pieces of big black cardamom, one piece of cinnamon stick or cinnamon bark, three pieces of green cardamom, a piece or a leaf of bay leaf. That's pretty much it for the spice. At the moment, we want to have two onions that are slivered, and yeah, and would like to have 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The main spice of this dish is gonna comprise on three main things: the spice mix, the meat or protein, and flour. So for meat and protein, I got my mix pre-mixed over here. This is turmeric powder, red chili powder, and red chili colored powder, which is also called as Kashmiri red chili powder. And it has got black cumin seeds, and that's it. Just 3 or 4 spices. No coriander. No coriander. I'm not gonna add any coriander to this dish. All right, let's start the dish. I'm gonna need to a little bit of oil in my pan. Put it to medium heat like this. Dump it all the onions. There goes the onions. And this I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon, and then second tablespoon, a little more. That's pretty much it. And this I'm gonna dump my frying spices, and I'm gonna put it on heat. In the meanwhile, while it's being done, I'm gonna put my spices on the side, and I'm gonna cut my meat. So for meat, I would like to have my meat knife. Sharpen it up like I showed you my knife sharpening video. Cut over here. Seems legit, but one cut should do. Alrighty, 3 pieces. So I have got a piece of bone over here. Cut that. Yep, this should do. You don't need to trim any extra pieces whatsoever. This is gonna work. See, you need to have your meat in these this size of chunks, because smaller chunks won't cut it. You need to have full fat whatsoever. This. It's pre-washed, it's clean, it's dry. I dried it with a paper towel. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. This has some bone in it. That's got good meat, so yeah, it's gonna work. Alrighty. So I'm gonna fry up my onions till they get translucent. So they're nice and translucent, and I can smell the ginger garlic paste. The smell of the ginger and the garlic coming along nicely and beautifully. Give it another, say, 3 minutes. So now it's almost ready. See how the onions are translucent. I'm doing this on medium flame. Now I'm gonna put my spice mix, just like that. When I say spice mix, it doesn't mean that it comes from a box. You just mix the spices. So when we are cooking, I want to talk about this, that a lot of people say that their dish does not comes out as great or does not taste the same. Well, yeah, because you don't cook properly. So the rule of thumb is like this, that when you want to cook something and it has different ingredients, like for example, if you want to make coffee, so coffee requires coffee beans or ground coffee and water and milk or cream or sweetener, for example. So you have to brew it, for example. So brewing is done at a certain temperature of the water passed through the coffee beans or coffee, ground coffee, to make coffee. Milk is supposed to be warm, or sweetener is supposed to be added at a certain stage. So the same concept goes over here. You have to cook the turmeric, the red chili powder, the black cumin seeds that I've used in this. You have to cook them. So how do you know that you have cooked them? You start to feel the aroma of what you have added. Once you feel the aroma, which is right about now, I'm gonna add my meat. Once again, wash your hands, nice and clean. Let's try this. This is going to be difficult. Oh, you see how rich the color is coming up? That's exactly what we want. Someone done? Yay! Doing? Yes. That's more like it. See how the pink color is going away and the red color or the gray color or light colors are popping up. That's exactly what you want with this. All right, at this moment, I would like to heat it up. Once it heats up, it will speed up the process. So, at this moment, the discoloration of the meat, that prompts toward that the meat has started to cook, has already been done. So I can see this, and this. Now we're going to add water to it. That's how I've added water. Now I'm going to close the pressure cooker's lid and I'm going to let it cook for 1 hour. I'll see you guys after 1 hour. So after 1 hour and 15 minutes ish, it looks like this. and this is fork tender. I put my knife, just touch it. This is tender. Now I'm going to show you how to do the step 2. Be right back. Step 2, I have mixed or blended 4 tablespoons of regular bread flour with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of red chili powder, say a quarter teaspoon each, half a teaspoon of salt maybe, yeah, that's pretty much it, and I have made it into a paste. And also I have converted my dish from the pressure cooker into a normal size pot, and I'm going to add my flour mix into this. This is ready. I just have to cook it for another, say, half an hour, and it will be done. And here I add slowly a little bit. And that's it. Let it cook for another half an hour and it will be ready. Okay. A lot of people confuse this dish with nihari when you are making it, but this is not nihari. Nihari has got dried ginger and long pepper. I will post a recipe for nihari, that video for sure. Now all I got to do is cover it and let it cook for half an hour. So that's how it looks when it finishes. So the meat is tender soft, as you can see, and everything is intact. This is how much it is supposed to be thick. Like I said in the beginning, this is not nihari. Nihari is thicker than this. So I don't know if you can see. It's delicious. The meat is fork tender, pull apart tender. I hope you like this video, and do not forget to try this. Thank you very much and have a good day.